Good morning. So the problem we're solving today is what do you do when you want to put up a piece of equipment far away? You can run a network lead, you haven't got power to power the equipment. So what we're going to use is this Cisco Wi-Fi access point. We're going to see how to not have to use the power supply, but running power over Ethernet. So let's have a look and get rid of that. We're not going to be using it. What's available is things like the TP-Link Gigabit power over Ethernet device. So let's have a look at unboxing that. Okay, so what we're looking for on this is near the router end. Yeah. So near the router end, have a short network lead. You're more likely to have power near your router. So if we take that out, so power the device. So power the device and you get a nice healthy green light. Chances are your home router won't have power over Ethernet already, but you can tell it'll have POE written all over it. So the plan is take from your home router to, let's see if we can get that. There's a port called data in, so that is coming in from your router. Then take this is the one that actually comes with the Cisco box. So there's a point there called power and data out, and so now if we take the outgoing line and pop it in, we immediately get Wi-Fi box. And that's pretty much it. That will run a couple of 100 meters maybe. You can use this on cameras. I mean, anything that says POE on it, you can run without having to also run a power lead to it. Hope that's been useful. I'll see you soon.